It's 2026 and most people who work with AI know how to use AI Studio by now. You can spin up workflows, agents, logic, entire systems. Honestly, the intelligence part is no longer the bottleneck, but there's still one part of the process that feels oddly stuck: the website. This is how it usually goes. You use Google AI Studio to design a service. It helps you think through the workflow, it gives you structure, ideas, even some basic front-end output. Then you generate the website. And technically, it works, but if you're being honest, it doesn't feel like something you'd actually ship. For example, what you're looking at right now is a website that Google AI Studios built for me. I can't really ship this and I can't really use this for my professional consulting or mental health wellness business. But this is where the gap exists, because these type of websites, they look good on paper, but they're not really products that businesses can implement and sell to clients. And this is the gap that I'm going to address today. Let's say we're building a simple service platform. Mental wellness is a good example, but this could be coaching, consulting, anything similar. The workflow is straightforward. Someone lands on the site, they answer a few questions, they get matched with the right provider, they book a time, they get confirmation, nothing exotic. This is the kind of thing agencies charge thousands of dollars for, not because the logic is complex, but because execution matters. The problem is presentation. So the first step is to use Gemini's capabilities to create a detailed prompt. So instead of trying to force AI Studio to do everything, I treat it like what it's very good at: thinking. And I use a separate layer to handle how that thinking shows up to users. That's where Ready AI comes in. It's not a replacement for AI Studio, but as a complement to it. AI Studio is where I design workflows, logic, and structure and get detailed prompts like this. This is where I turn that structure into something people can actually interact with. Same idea, same flow, but completely different outcome. Let's look at what this actually changes. So I'm going to take this prompt, so I'm going to copy all of it, and we can see Gemini has perfectly laid out the page architecture and user journey, from the hero section to the therapist directory, booking and scheduling, payment and checkout, and all the information you need to create a high-level therapy business and a website. So now let's take this prompt and put it into Ready AI. So I'm in Ready AI right now, and I've copied and pasted my prompt over here where I'm starting from scratch. You also have the ability to start from a website link. So let's say you have a website that you want to use as an inspiration for your project, you can do that. Or if you have an existing business card that you're already using, you could also do that. But for our case today, I'm going to take that prompt that Gemini created and put it in here, and I'm going to press enter. So now we're at the step one, which is understanding the section structure. We got the structure from Gemini, and this kind of read that through the prompt, and we just have to agree like, okay, this is what we want. Let's say we wanted the directory to come after the booking and scheduling. We could move it down. Obviously, that doesn't make sense, so we'll keep it the way it is. And then you can add additional sections. You can add up to 10 sections for now. All right, let's press next. Step two is generate or upload a logo. So this is an AI generated logo that Ready AI creates for your business. This looks pretty good and I kind of like it, so I'm just going to stay with it. But if you wanted to, you could regenerate it. Let's just try it out for fun. All right, so this is option two. I like option one more, so we'll go ahead with this and I'll press next. So what you're looking at right now is a website that Ready.ai created for us. And one thing you'll notice from the get-go is that this website is much more professional compared to Google AI Studio. Now, what's really cool about this website is that you can even see that the logic it added. We have profiles for our therapists. Obviously, these are AI generated therapists, but what's really cool is that you can replace them with actual therapists on your team. And this is really nice and it looks pretty professional. And what's really cool is that I like the hover animation it added on all of the profiles. As well, it tells you that this person specializes in anxiety, CBT, mindfulness, everything like that. If I wanted to filter for a therapist that specializes in CBT, for example, which is cognitive behavioral therapy, I can click on this and it will tell me like, okay, these are the therapists that are good for that. So you can see on the back end, Ready.ai also builds these features that you probably didn't think that it could. Then we have relationships, mindfulness, which is really cool. And overall, the theme of the website and everything follows the prompt very closely. And that's the power of using high quality prompts from Gemini. And what's really cool is that all of this is customizable. Let's say I wanted to edit something. I can click on this button here, which is called select to edit, and I can change anything I want. Let's say I wanted to change this, like your journey to clarity starts here. I'm going to say now, for example, and that's all. This will update the code on the back end and everything, and I don't have to worry about anything other than that. Now, obviously, Ready.ai is not the solution for everything. Let's say I wanted to actually build a database where I can track my schedules as well book appointments. You're going to need an external tool like Supabase. For example, let's say I do view schedule. I can see that Ready.ai built this. It has amazing UI when it comes to booking the appointment. Like, for example, I can see the schedule. Let's say I wanted to book an appointment on Tuesday 27th, and let's say time 11 a.m. These buttons are professional. It looks pretty clean. I enter my information, so I've already put it in here, let's say like that. And then let's say if I didn't provide the email address, I tried to book an appointment, it will tell me that, oh, I need an @ in there. So you can see this type of logic was just built by Ready without me having to decode anything. So I'll put this in, I'll put this as my email, and I'll say create book an appointment. So Ready.ai is telling me there was an error booking your appointment. Please try again. The reason is there is an issue, obviously, because we don't have a database set up yet. So Ready.ai does not only help you create the website, it helps you debug as well. So for example, you can see the error is here. I can press fix. It realized that, okay, it was trying to submit to a Supabase Edge function, but since I haven't set up Supabase and it's not connected yet, it's going to fail. So it's going to fix this by using the form submission system instead, which will capture all of the appointment data for you, which is good. Obviously, this is a temporary solution. You should definitely connect your Supabase or something like that to make this website more powerful. But you can see that it's going to create an appointment form now. So let's try this out one more time. We'll click on view schedule, book for the 27th, do 10 a.m., enter in. We'll do in person. Actually, let's do video call. Book appointment. So it says my appointment is booked. So in my forms, you can see that the therapy appointment booking is here. And you can see I have an appointment booked at this time, the timestamp, client, and everything like that. And I can export this. So this is obviously a temporary solution. If you wanted to add advanced integration, maybe like a payment section or even a booking thing using Supabase, this would be the place where you would once again use the skills of Gemini and other AI tools and integrate that. And what's really cool is that let's say you are happy with what it looks like and you wanted to publish this website. All you have to do is click on the domain section over here. You can connect an existing domain that you might have. You can purchase a new domain just through here, and it makes the whole process easier. Ready.ai also provides you with web analytics. Data about how many people are clicking on it, how many people are interacting with it would be available here. So you can see you have the power of Gemini, and then you have the power of Ready.ai helping you build a professional website that would take hours and hours to do back in the day, meaning 2024. It's crazy how fast AI moves, but these are the capabilities of combining with Gemini with Ready.ai. If there's one takeaway here, it's this. AI isn't the hard part anymore. The models are strong, the workflows are there, the ideas come quickly. What still separates a demo from a real product is how it shows up to users. That's where tools like Ready.ai actually matter, not for thinking, but for turning workflows into something people can interact with and trust. If you're already using AI Studio and want your projects to feel finished instead of experimental, this fills in that missing layer. I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. We do real tests, not just headlines. Make sure you're also subscribed to The World of AI. And don't forget to check out our newsletter for deeper breakdowns you won't see on YouTube. And I'm growing my Twitter following, so make sure you follow me on Twitter as well. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.